So hi guys, welcome again to our channel. So of course, we will be doing another unboxing and syempre stationery items pa din. So ayan, o-open na natin siya. Let's remove the packaging first. Ito yung mga medyo matagal na for unboxing na hindi ko siya unbox kasi gusto ko talaga siya sana i-video. So, yun, wala kasing time. Ito na siya. Ayan. So, ito siya guys. Wait lang. So, tatanggalin ko muna siya lahat dito bago ko ipakita kung ano yung naman niya sa loob guys ha. Wait lang. Ayun guys. Oh, puro ano pala to. Sanrio guys. Meron ding naiwan. Naiwan. Na ibang character. Chikara. So, let's check it. Unahin muna natin guys itong Chikawa na memo pad set. So, ito siya. Ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have Chikawa na memo pad. So, first design, second design, third design, fourth design, fifth, and sixth. So, lagyan ito side. Next natin is ito guys. Yeah, we have cinnamon roll scissor and also this one, scissor din siya. Both scissors pero magkaiba sila ng style. Ito ata may kasamang ruler sa loob. Ruler sa loob, sorry. Next natin is itong envelope guys. Perfect to panglagay ng file. So, we have Kuromi, we have My Melody, and Kuku, and My Melo. So, last natin is ito guys, itong notebook. Kapit nito guys. We have Kuku again. I'm not sure if it's colored inside. Pero magnetic siya guys. Ito siya. And we have My Melody. Alam ko meron ako nito na Ochako tsaka cinnamon roll. So, yun. So, that's it for today's video guys. So, thank you again sa pagsama sa panonood nitong unboxing video nang walang katapos-tapos na stationery items. So, yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next video. Bye-bye!